guys, I haven't been posting YouTube videos because I've been too busy on Musical.ly. So yeah, I'm gonna do a morning routine tomorrow. You hear that? I'm home alone. Nobody's here with me. Roxy.